Okay, so now I had used these Naporon E10 wireless Bluetooth headphones for a couple of days, and I must say that the sound quality of these earphones is about the same as these Plantronics Beat 100 actually, and these Plantronics Beat 100 is much more expensive than these Naporon headphones. These Naporon headphones you can get for about $32 and these Plantronics cost around $100. So these Naporon is an excellent buy actually. The bass is about the same as the Plantronics, a bit tinny, but if you use the exact size of the earplugs for your ears, then you can have quite good bass on these too. So the bass is better with the exact right earbuds. You have to think about that, but the remote works quite good and so on, and you can charge it for 1.5 hours, fully charge it, and you can use these for 30 days standby, and it has around 8 or maybe 10 hours of usage. So very good battery life actually, so I can highly recommend these Naporon wireless headphones, and I will have a link down below where you can buy this in the description text, so check that out. And the USB cable is quite short though, but it's a micro USB cable, so you have probably some of them lying around at home that is longer than this, and you can use it together with a charger or directly into your computer, for example. Quite nice. So the build quality is also excellent for these Naporon headphones, really nice, and they fit quite good in your ears thanks to this that makes it impossible almost to drop them from your ear. If you're a sporty person, do a lot of sports and so on, these are quite good for that. So, and they are water resistant and sweat resistant and so on, quite good. And these magnets is great to have when you don't use them. You can have these around your neck and have the magnets attached like this, so you always know where these headphones are. So that works good too. And the pairing with a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus that I have is excellent, really fast, and when you turn these on they are connected immediately to the phone, so that works great too, no problem there. So all in all, these are quite good headphones for $32. So I can highly recommend these actually. So go check the link out down below. Okay, bye.